What's going on, everyone? This is V6 Lifestyle here, and today I'm just going to give you guys a quick update. The last time you guys saw this car, the only thing I had installed was the front bumper. Well, we're finally able to install the fender flares on the front side, as well as the side skirts. So we got those two installed on there. Right now, me and my buddy just got here. They're going to come help me install the rear bumper. As you could tell, we took off the rear bumper, and honestly, it looks like we just got into an accident. But yeah, those are my buddies over there. They're kind of helping me out with the bumper. But just want to give you guys a quick update. This is how the car looks right now. Just to me, it looks so weird without the rear bumper. And we're gonna get that installed, as well as the fender flares. So yeah, this is how the car looks as of now. And these are my buddies right here. This is my buddy Brian. He's helping me out here. And then if you guys remember the racing video, that's my other friend Adodo. And so yeah, shout out to them for helping me out. And I'll keep you guys updated. Alrighty guys, so another quick update. We finally got the rear bumper on. And as you can tell, the only thing we have on there is the rear bumper. We weren't able to put the rear diffuser because of these dual exhaust tips, but other than that, we were able to get everything else on there. So these dual exhaust tips are going to have to come off in order for it to fit the rear diffuser. And honestly, the trickiest part into all this was the sensors. So honestly, I really like the fitment on there. It looks pretty good, but honestly, the hardest part were the sensors to get those installed, because you have to drill the hose and then reattach the sensors. But I think it actually came out pretty good for what we've done. And yeah, so we're gonna try to finish this up. Shout out to those guys over there. Alrighty guys, so we finally finished up the car. We put on the front and rear bumper, as well as the fender flares and the side skirts, and this is how it came out. I really like the way this car looks, honestly. But like I said, the only thing this car is missing is the rear diffuser. But other than that, I feel like this car came out pretty damn good, especially just for us guys that have no clue what the hell we're doing, and we're just like, you know what, let's give it a shot, let's try it out. And for that, it came out pretty good. So seriously, thanks to these guys. Brian, appreciate for your help, and Adodo over here. Like I said, if you guys recognize him from the racing video, that's him. He came out here to help me out, and this is how it looks. So if you guys really want to install this kit, you guys could, especially with a couple buddies. It just takes time. But like I said, with the rear diffuser, we're not able to put that on because of the quad tips, or the dual tips, I'm sorry. But other than that, this car came out pretty good. Alright guys, I'm gonna take it for a test drive to see if it falls apart. Hopefully it doesn't. Yeah, the sensors still work, and the lights still work. Fucking, you're just gonna hear pop pop. Fuck, dude.
That's what happened to that one screw.
Let's see. I'm not hearing nothing falling yet.
I want you to step on it.
You see?
Definitely.
Oh, this guy wants to race, bro. He wants it. Look, he wants it. That's it. For little V6. Yeah, I've done some stuff to this car. I'm not finished with it yet. Work in progress. I've done way more to the Mustang, but does go on YouTube. Everything is being filmed on a closed course.
Don't mind the speed signs.
We're filming Fast and Furious 10. What's going on, guys? Just giving you guys a quick update. As you can tell, the car did not fall apart during that little test drive, and it's actually coming out pretty good. The cars are pretty much done. Just like I was saying earlier, I added spacers onto the car, so the car is looking pretty good. And the spacers I added are tied in 1-inch spacers. You can kind of see it in there. So they do stick out just a bit. But if you guys do add the spacers, keep in mind of the gap here. As you can tell, I can't even fit one finger in here. These tires are pretty big. The 275 40/20s. As you can see right there. So these tires are going to be way too big. Because if I'm driving just like this, if I hit a bump, it's going to hit, the tire's going to hit the fender, and it's going to come right off. I've been seeing videos and they've been talking about that, so I am gonna have to switch the tire size to make this a smaller tire. From what I've been seeing, people have been saying 275 30/20s work, so I'm gonna give that a try. Hopefully it works out, because the last thing I want is for the freaking tire to knock off the fender. So I'm gonna get that changed before I get it painted, because obviously I can't drive and, you know, hopefully nothing happens. Same thing over here. These are a little bit more forgiving. See, my finger actually fits here. One finger as well. I cannot get two, so I just want at least a 2-finger gap on there. And like I said, I put the 1-inch spacers all the way around, so it looks a little bit more better. It doesn't look tiny. It looks more pushed out, so I like the way it looks. So like I said, I'm just gonna get the smaller tires. However, what I did notice though, the 3M tape is not sticking on there. Let's see if you can see it right here. I don't know if you can see it, but right there you can kind of see it. It's not getting a good stick on there. See, same thing from down here, it's completely off. And that's not going to be Vicrez's fault. It's been crazy hot here the last couple of days, and the adhesive is not sticking on there correctly. So I went to go buy a more stronger adhesive, I guess, more stronger 3M tape, and hopefully that fixes the problem, because this, I'm gonna have to take this off and replace it. But yeah, so this is how it looks. I got the rear diffuser on there now. Love it. Also changed out the tips, so I got a little bit bigger tips on here, and honestly I kind of fell in love with these. So there you go. So next time you see this car, it's going to be painted. The tires are going to be a little bit smaller, and I'm going to have to fix these little fender issues here. It's not getting stuck on there correctly. Yeah, down here as well. See that? So I'm gonna have to just fix that right now and get it painted, change the tires, and this car should be done. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I didn't want to make this to like a 3-part series. I'm trying to get everything done all in at least 1 or 2 videos. So this video might be a little long. I apologize, but hopefully you guys at least enjoy the content. And this is how it came out.